Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to attach Navisworks file or coordination file into Revit for our working purpose. So let's go with the new. I will go with the English, meaning metric template. Let's go with the electrical default. You can go away with anything, but just I am choosing electrical. Okay. So I will choose another file, new project. So again, I will go browse, template, English. Okay, now let me open on a project, my project. Mm, I think I have something here. New work project. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, I open the wrong file, cancel. File open. I should go like that. So let's go to the desktop. Desktop file. I have some project here. Let's go with this one. Okay, let's take this open. Okay, I have a file here. This is one of house planning. So let's export this one file. Export Navis file. If you don't have Navis export, use see my one of video. I have uploaded a video how to install the Navis exporter. So we will save this one. Save. It's a Navis file. Now I don't need it anymore. Let's close this one. Okay. Now this is the new file I'm going to work. But instead of Revit architecture link, you received a Navis file. So let's check how to attach here for the coordination. So let's go for the insert. You will see here coordination model. Okay. So go here local. If you have in the Autodesk dock, you can go with Autodesk dock. So I am here in the local. So go to the local desktop. Let's check this one what I have saved. So here you have share coordinate and origin to internal origin. I didn't make any share coordination in that file. So I will not go to the share coordination. So I will go to origin and origin. Here you can take NWD, NWC. There's a two different file. There's a NWF. You cannot import. You need NWC or NWD. NWF, you know, is multiple NWC combined file yours can save NWF. But this NWF will not work if you don't have NWC. It's a combining file only. So let's open. This is different thing. Let's open origin to internal origin. Open. So you will have your file here. Okay. Even you go for the 3D view, you can see your. Okay. So let's go for the floors. So you will see. So this one have some partition. See this one, and you can view everything. So let's go for the wireframe. Okay, still in the shaded view. Okay, so we can go with the shaded wireframe till in the shaded. Okay, so here when you take wireframe, what will happen? It's still in the shaded. So okay, let's check. We can add any device or not. It is for the coordination, but still I want to check system, electrical devices, and you can go with the walls. So it's not uh, taking any snaps. for the wall to create any device. So this one you can use only for the coordinations. Okay, so let's check it is snapping to create the any wall. So WA wall. So we can go pick line. So there is no option. So let's select this one. Okay, let's click here. Okay. So here you have here some options. New construction, page memories, edit type. So no too many things. So you can here there's the explore option. You can displacement. So only you can take this file as a coordination. Let's explode and go to the lighting again. So we can explode again. Let's check it is working again. Still no. So you can understand this one only for coordination papers. You can choose to view your file. I hope you understand very well. So in some case there you will receive some files like road or some items, NWC file or NWD. You can insert and you can check only for the coordination purpose. So until next video, take care, learn everything whatever you can possible. So I will come up with a new video. So I hope you understand very well. This one. Until next video, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.